See that tail light? I'm taking it out. On a brand spanky, which is the same for the last, I don't think 6 years, maybe? Who knows? So this video might be actually out somewhere. The screw right there. I already took it out. Why? Because the sun's not on this side of the house. That's all it is. One screw. Pry tool. Right between the crack. Right between the crack. Capiche? Now, if it wants to cooperate, here you go. So it actually pulls out towards you. You see these little grooves? Actually sort of angles out towards you. See? Like a trap door. 2 screws. Ready to check one out? Get the other one out. And I will show you. It's not that hard. Now, she's technically all the way out. See? Now, I already had it out. It wasn't that easy. This little push pin pops in here. But I think this actually popped out. And this is supposed to stay on the body. But, if it doesn't want to come out, who cares? I'm going to leave them in. Comes out for you, it'll be a little rod. So when you want to put this back in, you want to hit it, pop. I'm going to show you. Now, another one right there. So technically this comes out towards you. You follow? You following so far? Good. Now, let's see what kind of bulbs these are. Hey look, I found the pedestal. Twist them. Twist them. This one is a single filament like the other bulb. 7440. Alright. That's one. What is this puppy? Same thing? The same thing? Yep. 7440. Alright, yeah! Put them back in. See? Tap it. Make sure it's in. Put the 2 screws back. And we'll say sayonara. Because you took it apart, you put it back together. So, like it? Aha. Don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.